Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to discuss with you the textbook solutions. Okay, whatever questions has been asked in the textbook, that I am going to discuss with you today. And before that, I had asked you to write on your own with the pencil in the textbook so that now you can match. And moreover, if the questions are based on your experiences or your views or your opinions, then you are going to write those answers on your own only. Okay, don't copy from here. So here is our page number 98, and the question is, find out and write. Talk to any one of your grandparents or any other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 8 9 years old. During that time, when your grandparent was of 8 or 9 years old, where did she or he live? So, here is just an answer, but you can ask your grandparents and write. He lived in a village. From what material was her or his house made? His house was made of thatched bamboo, wood, straw, and mud. Did they have a toilet in their house? Yes, they had toilet in their house. In which part of the house was food cooked? Their food was cooked in the veranda, which was separated by a wall. A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das' house was made. Why? Because a thick layer of mud protects the house from cold and heat. Now, coming to our page number 99, A Changing House. Chetan Das tells that people from the basti used to come to clean the toilets and take away the waste. They were not allowed to enter the house. The people who used the toilets did not clean them. Discuss. The people who used the toilet did not clean them because they thought that that was a dirty job. Hence, people from Basti used to come to clean the toilets and take away the waste. Children, at that time there were not flush toilets, okay? So, whatever the waste was there, that was to be taken, carried away, and then the toilet was washed. But the flush toilet, as we have these days, it was not there during those olden days. Is there a toilet in your house? Who cleans it? Yes, there are toilets in my house. We clean them. Okay, now these days we don't get people who are coming to our house and cleaning the toilets. Okay, we on our own have to clean the house, those toilets. What material have been used in making your house? Bricks, cement, sand, concrete, wood, and iron rod have been used in making my house. Find out the material from which your friend's house is made. Is there any difference? Write about it. The houses of my friends are also made with cement, sand, bricks, and iron rods. There is no difference. So these days the houses are made of these things only, and all our friends and our house are made of the same material these days. What kind of house do you think Chetan Das' grandchildren will live in? They will live in the skyscrapers made with iron and cement. Where would you like to live when you grow up? I would like to live in a metropolitan city. What kind of house would you like? I would like to live in a bungalow. So these answers you can write on your own wish. Okay. You had written about the things that your grandparents' house was made of. Has some of the same kind of material been used in your house? Name them. No, those materials has not been used in my house except the wooden doors and windows. People are given names according to the work they do. For example, a person who works with wood is called a carpenter. In your place, what do you call a person who works with wood? He is known as a badhai. Okay? So in Hindi, the carpenter is called as badhai. Now, look at the picture and fill in the table. This picture is there in the book. It is more clearer there. What kind of work is being done by different people here? What tools are they shown using in the picture? Write them in the table given. Work, tool, what is the person called? So here is mixing of cement and sand. This is done with the tool hammer, spade, iron pans, and the person is called as the mason. Fitting of pipe, then pipe, cutter, pliers, and the person is called plumber. Then we have electrical fittings, wire, screwdriver, and the person is called electrician. So this is the answer to this table, where in the first column we have the work, then we have the tools used by them, and the name of the person, or means what the person is called. Then we have page number 103 to 104. Do you know people who do these types of work? Yes, I know some people who work as mason, electrician and plumber. This you all might be knowing. Then we have talk to them and find out about their work. Discuss it with your friends. Do it yourself. With your teacher or someone from home, go to a place where a building is being constructed. Talk to the people working there and find out answers to these questions. What is being built there? A big mall is being built there. How many people are working there? About 500 people are working there. What kind of work are they doing? Engineers were supervising the work. Masons were pouring the cement on roofs and lintels. Some people were carrying the materials from one place to another. Some are operating the cranes and other machines. How many men and women are working there? 400 men and 100 women are working there. So these are just hypothetical answers. Fine. Are any children working there? What are they doing? No children are working there. How much money do these people get paid daily? Ask from any 3 different people about this. So this is just an idea how to answer here, okay? The amount is just all a hypothetical amount, okay? Actually you can ask some of the people and you can get the proper answer. So carpenter is getting rupees so much, mason, helper, crane operator and foreman. Where do these people live? Some of them live in the tents near the construction place, while some come from their residences, means from their homes. They come to the construction site. What are the materials being used for making a building? Wood, cement, sand, iron rods, bricks, stone chips, etc. are the materials used for making the building. Try and guess how many trucks of bricks and bags of cement will be used for making the building. So about 1 lakh bags of cement and 500 trucks of bricks would be used for making the mall or building. How do the material reach the building site? By truck, hand cart, any other vehicle, list them. All materials reach the building site by trucks, tempo, etc. Now we have find out the price of 1 bag of cement, 1 brick, 1 truck of sand. So here the prices are given. Ask a few other questions and write their answers. How much sand is mixed with cement? 5 bags of sand is mixed with 1 bag of cement. Who makes the map of buildings? An architect makes the map of buildings. Why cranes are used at construction sites? To lift heavy objects. So for this the cranes are used. Over the 60 years, different materials were used at different times in Chetan Das' house. List these in the correct order. Mud, bamboo, straw, ropes, wood, nut and bolt, bamboo, iron rods. Cement, sand, iron rods, wood. Cement, sand, iron rods, marbles, plastics. So these are the things which we have arranged in the proper order. So this is all for today, children. Hope you will now read the chapter again once. Already you have read, but now again you will read. Go through these answers which I have discussed with you. You can pause at the places. Your own experiences answer also you are going to write here, and then you can prepare well for your tests. So in between I can take your test also at times. Surprise test. Fine? So thank you.